How to transfer money from US bank to another bank. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can transfer money from US bank to another bank. For this, you can open the US bank app on your device. If you don't have the app, you can open up any web browser and head over to usbank.com. Now tap on the login option. On the login portal, go ahead and enter your username. After that, you want to enter your password. Now tap on the login option. If the credentials you've entered are correct, you will be successfully logged in. Now, from the dashboard, you want to select the option of transfer and pay, then choose external transfer and wires option. After that, you want to select transfer money. Now choose the account you would like the funds taken from. Select the account you would like the money transferred to and then select continue. You also want to select link a new bank account if the internal account you want isn't listed. Now you will have to complete the form. For this, enter the amount to transfer, review the delivery speed, select on the send on date if it is applicable. Now choose review. Confirm that the information is correct. Now you want to select transfer money. The delivery speed will vary depending on the receiving bank. Most transfers will complete within 1 to 3 business days. Some banks allow instant transfers, which are completed in minutes. Now, when using external transfer, you have to keep in mind that you will need a signer on both accounts. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.